thought that in the middle of August this one is still possible. Heavy rain all the night and all the day, and I'm super sick. Did a swimming. Today is sixth day since I'm sick. Finally I decided that it's time to do something, so we went out swimming. My voice is terrible. I don't know, can you hear me or not, but so nothing really been happening these days. I've been, like I said, been sick. On a Wednesday I went out for some diving with a couple of people. Really short video, but nothing else I can add. We are back in Bedugul again. So I would like to a little bit explain what's going on with all these episodes. It's like there is some stagnation. First of all, there was nothing really to film because I was so busy with the instructor course or IDC. Afterwards we became sick for a week. I wasn't able to make any videos at all. Let's say this episode will be more about what I'm going to do in the future. Weather in Bedugul is always cool and nice. I just picked up a norm for myself, 2 baskets, so this means about 4 kilos. This season was a bit busier than previous one, there was more things to film. I will really try to show you something new and interesting during this year. I think this season will end in September. We start working, so then it's nothing really like something really interesting happening, so it's the same dive sites again and again. Maybe it's a good way how to tell people about the dive sites. Film same dive sites hundreds of times, and then there is bigger chance for anyone to find it about this particular information about this particular dive site. But from my perspective, it's actually getting really boring. And of course the dive sites, like I said, they are changing, and also conditions changing, and things what you see there are different. But anyways, for me it becomes really monotone and really boring. So that's why I don't see the point to continue the same way. So I definitely have to give you something new. Pretty big ones now. What is pity actually that most of them are already like a kind of damaged, because it's pretty wet. It's been pretty wet, and so that's why, as you can see here, big one, but already rotten. There definitely will be season number 3, so I'm gonna keep going. I don't know, I still don't know what will be the format. Most probably when there will be something new and interesting going on, like for example we are going somewhere, that's gonna be interesting also for you. Like, I don't know, most probably we're gonna go back to Lombok for hammerhead season in September, so that's what you will see. Also I found, checking out the statistics and which videos doing better than others, I found out that if there is a video with a value where you can learn something, so then this video is doing better than any other. Like for example, how to set up the sign mount, or for example there is one review where I did GoPro macro lens review, so that's also doing good. If there is any special popular places, they doing good, and so. So that's why most probably I will try to do some reviews about some interesting stuff, or maybe some video lessons for my students, and not only my students but anyone, right? So if you have any ideas about what to film in the future, so give me some ideas, because it's getting harder and harder. So the first year I was filming every single day. There were so many things to film which I never did before, and that's why it was easy. The season 2 wasn't that easy. It was all the time jumping from the like a usual routine what I've been doing previously, and trying to find out something new. Anyways, I'm a little bit worried about what's gonna happen in November, how the next year will be. So I cannot promise you that I will really travel a lot and will film, and maybe will start my own diving travel show, but I know the direction which I would like to go, but I'm not sure that I'm capable. So yeah, we'll see. This previous 2 years was just a warm-up for something bigger. So that's why at the moment we are really carefully spending money, and trying to get some layer of the fat, and to live next couple of years comfortably. But we'll see. Maybe everything is good, which I don't believe, but let's hope for the better things. So a little bit of strawberries, a little bit of diving. That's all this episode. Most probably the nearest, like a kind of good footage what we're gonna have, it's gonna be Mola Mola season, which we missed already for a couple of years. So this year we will try to be more active. We will start going now. It's about the time when the Mola Mola season starts up, and I really hope we will get a good footage to show you. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.